What's inside the basket?
A piece of cake and a lot of wine. I'm taking them to my grandmother because she doesn't feel very well, and they will cheer her up.
Tell me, Little Red Riding Hood, where does your grandmother live?
Straight up this path. It's not far from here. The wolf wanted to eat Little Red Riding Hood very much because she looked so select and tender. However, he decided he would be better to wait a little while so he could eat both Grandmother and Little Red Riding Hood.
Little Red Riding Hood, how do you what's this today? Look at this. Bugs and the flowers in the trees.
Yes, you're quite right. I think I'll stop a while and pick some flowers for Grandmother. And while Little Red Riding Hood was decked to skirt picking flowers, the wolf rushed to Grandmother's house. The wolf knocked at the door.
I don't know what to say.
I'll tell you.
What is that?
Who's there?
What did it say?
Wait. It's our time, Roger.
What did it say?
See.
Tick tock. Say it.
No.
It's Little Red Riding Hood. I brought you some cake and some wine. Open up.
The door is unlocked. Come in. I am very weak and cannot get out of the bed. The wolf went in the dark straight over to Grandmother's bed without a sound. He diverted for Grandmother that he put on her clothes and climbed into the bed. The front door is left open, and there are several objects on the floor. Little Red Riding Hood burst at the house. Seeing the door open, she enters hastily.